right now
So
we
see
only
how the
doing
water,
water.
right? And so see how it's still too much, but see how it drips to the side. So if you have a towel and you have earphone, it won't go into their ear. It won't mess with them. So you kind of want to do fast passes. And see how that soap is still there, but it's getting sucked up into the machine. It's okay.
It is.
You can see it?
Yeah, it's coming out. Se limpió la cara hoy.
Coño, Villarta, cuánto sucio, pues.
But see how strong it is? See our redness? So the pressure, so then that's when we go to the air. The air won't turn out just a little bit, because sometimes it could be too much. So you just, so see, not so bad, because now I can just glide without holding their skin. Normally you have to hold their skin taut. If it's tough, then yeah, you have to hold its skin. But it's easier to glide now. So remember, so the suction is this one. I wish they would have said suction, you know, instead of air. But I know why they said air, because of this. But it should say air and suction. So you'll know this is pressure and this is suction. So this spritz out too much water, however much you want, and this is how much, almost like a hickey. If you ever suck on somebody, you know, not to be nasty, but you know, we all get together sometimes and you, on your woman's neck or your man's neck, you kiss on somebody's neck for just 5 seconds, the next morning you got like a huge hickey. And that's not like, right.
That's the pressure.
Right, so you want to kind of go fast, you don't want to bruise their face.
So on this side you went down, or up, or it doesn't really matter.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Yeah,
Okay.
I go anywhere away from the face, up the face, down the face. I rarely ever go into the face.
Okay.
Against the nose, against the eye, into the mouth. I'm always coming away, coming up, or going down. So if it's a little bit, don't worry about it. It's okay.
No, I know.
We're gonna keep
Yeah,
on
you
going. Because we're gonna have sponges, we can take it off or leave it on, but it's still gonna work out.
So you do one side of the face and then the other. So you break it into two.
But you can continue to do the whole thing. Yeah, you're right. But see how red the pressure is still kind of high? And when I'm on the skin, it's on, and then it's like I snap off the skin. So it's like taking it off. Because sometimes what will happen if you leave it on the skin, it'll stay on the skin. And then you can keep going back and forth. If the client can take it, yeah, you can do whatever you want. So you don't have to break it off if you don't want to. The only reason I put my finger here is so I can hold the skin here and just go to the side. Lip. Because if it's all the way to the pressure, it's going to drag that whole lip to the side. Like, I'm pulling my face off. What's going on? So no, I try to hold where I can.
Does that suction your pores, like your blackheads and stuff like that?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So while you're doing that, is it doing it or is it a different step?
Oh, no, it's doing it all into one. So it's like spitting water out and sucking those pores closed at the same time. Masques, you know, whatever. And so your towel, see how the water's dripping? You just always block your neck. We're good to go. I do quick passes. You can go slow if you want to, but I just know it can cause bruising. So when somebody gets off the table, like, why is my face super red? Why am I? And she has kind of, since you can see her erythema, the redness just comes right out.
Is that their skin or that's her hair? Her Bella's hair? Her hair?
Yeah, it's Bella's hairs.
Oh yeah, so she's gonna look so beautiful.
Oh yeah, when we do the chemical or dermaplaning,
Dermaplaning.
man, she's gonna be glowing. Timer. So see how it went back to 60 seconds? So whenever a machine goes off like that, it just means the timer. Don't freak out.
Yeah,
So many
freaked out.
people
Oh my
freak out.
God.
They do. They're like, oh
Like,
my
did it
god.
turn
what
Oh my
happened?"
god, the machine is bad.
No, it just means it went right back to the timer. So that's cool. So you just turn it back on, and then it starts again.
Gotcha.
But that could alarm, you know what I mean? Like, oh, why did it shut off? And the directions that come with it don't really show you. You got to reset. You know, and see how this tip is bigger. So if you want to get the notes, You can hit off, or you can keep it on if you wanted to. Grip, and just take off. It's right there. And we're gonna use a smaller tip
For the nose.
for the nose. Alright. Oh no, you're fine. If you're getting away, it's fine. As long as it gets like a little bit of, so I can kind of
Cut it.
and make a little small. And it's just for students who want to come to the school and learn, or if they want to actually have a training at their spa or salon, they can have it.
Then before you leave today, I want us to order the tips so then we know which ones to get.
Sure, no problem. And so see how this is a little bit narrower? It fits like perfectly in those little crevices underneath the eye, or the underneath the lip, and ears. So like, if
But
you
her
want to,
face is looking cleaner already. You can see it glowing now.
you don't have to turn it. I always just make sure it's
I know, you don't want it to pop off.
weird.
Yeah.
So not everything that I do, you have to, by no means.
Did you prep it first?
You're right.
See, you're
Okay,
learning.
there we go.
Mhm.
Yeah. See how I'm
I knew it was gonna work because it's the first. Right. So when you first turn on the machine, oh yeah, you always have to prep because it's like you'll put it on the skin and say, oh, nothing's happening.
It was already prepped.
Right. So once it gets suction, it's good to go. But like
Gotcha.
once you turn it off, then you'll have to prep it again.
Okay.
Because some people will go across the face like, why don't I see any water? I'm like, no, you have to hold still and wait for the water. Right. But if you don't know to do that,
What time
It
is
could
it?
piss you off.
Can you give me my phone?
oh yeah. See, that stuff needed to come out.
2:30?
Yeah.
2:17.
So see this. So see how red she got? But it works. Like it sucks out.
Yeah,
So
I
then
like
you'll see-
red. Yeah, because it's so.
And you're gonna see this afterwards, all her collection of skin cells that
Are
came
we
out
still
of this.
suctioning the nose? Like, is that helping with her blackheads and everything?
Well, she doesn't have any. She has open pores. Her pores are.
But it's
Bigger
not
pore?
like.
Yeah, it's not like congested or where you have like a blackhead. Like you'll know when you have a client with blackheads. Yeah, it's really black. Like you'll see craziness going on. This stuff needs to come out. So see by the nose where there's too much water.
Oh no, my appointment is on the
Sorry.
17th.
You just dot the nose, or you can have like a tissue, like a box, and have them hold a tissue just in case the water does get just like it did. So just make sure they know that they can block their skin at any time. So sometimes the water is too much. I should have turned it down.
So Ben, even if we're still on water, we're just getting the soap out. The fact that you're suctioning around that area, it's getting like some skin on there, like dirt out and stuff like
That's right. And so can you imagine with the diamond tip, once you get the tip, it's gonna polish the whole face. It's like, wow, I really don't need to do anything else. We did suction, cleaning, and dermaplaning at the same time. And like you said, our skin is shining. And that's when you cleanse somebody's skin and they're still shining afterwards, this is their skin how it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be shiny. She has oil production. So when you cleanse the skin, it's supposed to take away all that oil. But even after that, she just has good oil production. That's all that means. So it's not a bad thing. It's just she's gonna look young. No one will ever guess people of color's age. And when I say people of color, you can actually be white. But if you're like olive oil or color, like Olivia Munn or Jennifer Aniston or something like that, yeah, they have olive color skin. Even though they're white, Caucasian, they're not like white Caucasian. You can still see that they have some sort of tint to their color.
And we're still just getting the soap out.
And so you're not gonna go through everything. I mean, get rid of every little speck of soap. That's fine.
Yeah.
Just turn off the machine. Because we want the suction part of it. And so once we take this tip off of it, of the cleanser of A, actually, sorry, I didn't do A. Actually, that was A. So that soap was from A. Man, you know what? I'm crazy. I did switch it to A. I had it on D, but then we switched to A to D. That's why it's so much soap. I didn't put that much soap.
Oh, because that was
That's
A.
where she was
That
getting
was-
soaked.
Can you repeat
Yeah,
A?
that
Can
was
you
A.
repeat A? Let me
Okay.
check A again.
So A was like the manual part that we just
Mhm,
did,
mhm.
just in here. So
Yeah, let
take
me
our
That's
wand.
where she still has some.
Right, so that's why I was like, oh, she has so much soap. But anyway, so we turn our wand or hit abrasion,
Mhm.
or from here, either one.
Mhm.
Like you said, you're gonna check it. Sorry. Make sure the soap comes out with water.
Mhm.
Okay, there we go.
There we go.
And then we're just going over the face. Well, we switched heads too, so I should have that bigger head. That's why it's pulling so much on the bigger pieces of skin.
Mhm. So that's A.
Yes.
So then, since we already did A,
Sorry, I didn't have the suction on. I mean the water coming out properly. So hold. See how it moves? Or you can see the water siphoning or moving.
yeah, so her skin is nice.
Underneath the eyes, hold. Oops, sorry. Water, sweet. Sorry. Sorry about that.
I think we need more
That's
stuff
too much.
here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Perfect. See how you already know how to adjust.
Mhm.
Most people wouldn't know what that is. They would just think that's normal. Like, no, it's not supposed to drip out water that much. And the last thing you want is soap in the eyes. Trust me.
Exactly.
Oof, it's the worst.
Your
Or
facial will be
chemical peel.
ruined.
Yes. Okay. So that was A.
That was A. So
And see
now,
how much we only use little.
I
and it's been on for a
know.
while.
So this is gonna be like
Right,
good
this-
for at least a month or more.
Exactly.
Okay.
So solutions last a long time if you use them
So
sparingly.
you don't need to like replace them in certain time?
If it gets down to, I would say maybe a quarter.
No, I'm talking about like the period of time, like days or weeks
No,
or
this-
something
Oh
like
yeah,
that.
this will last at least 90 days at the
Oh,
most because I've already
okay.
tested it and it
Okay.
still had its efficacy, meaning it still had its pungence or its power.
Okay.
Organic products normally. Now, if it's like vitamin C or something like that, yeah, you're gonna have to eat that really, really fast, like apple or orange, because yeah, it will go brown. But for chemicals break down after about 90 days.
Oh, no, we're
these,
gonna
'cause
use
these-
that one for a month.
yeah, because like even if you pour hydrogen peroxide in a small dish and let it sit out, it's still not gonna bubble after a couple days because it's like too much
Right,
air,
right.
everything came
Mhm.
into it, the sunlight. That's why it's in a brown bottle with hydrogen peroxide.
So
after
is
that-
this when we do the dermaplaning or this is when we do the peel?
Right, so I do dermaplaning first, and then this peel's gonna go into the skin, and we're gonna ask her how does this fit.
Oh, okay. So let's do dermaplaning. What will you wet it again? No.
Oh no, I'm just gonna take off that soap. Because remember that soap I had on earlier, and I thought I put it to D, and it took off all the soap, but we had it on A the whole time. I was like,
adding more
oh.
Do you want to apply that solution or you don't need to right now?
Which one?
The peel, like to do
No, that's what-
dermaplaning or you don't want to?
Oh sure, yes, please. Can you? Yeah.
Yeah, that will help you get a better result, right?
And you don't have to use.
No, but to get better results,
But I do.
it will be better.
Yeah.
You don't
'Cause you
need
wanna-
a lot.
Because you want to dry out the skin as much as possible.
Right, yeah. I want the gel to look good. I don't
Yeah.
care. I must set up.